Hello traders, welcome back to PipsTraders YouTube channel. Good morning to you all. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. So today in this video, we'll look at the price action in gold and US dollar currency pairs. We'll look at the current trend of the price action and present support and resistance levels in multiple time frames. So when we look at the economical events plan for today is February 28th. We don't have any high impact news in the morning hours. At 7 p.m. we have high impact news planned for Canadian dollar related currency pairs, and at 8:30 p.m. we have high impact news planned for US dollar related currency pairs, followed by a medium impact news. Let us begin with our gold analysis. I'm in 4 hours time frame now, and we already know that currently the price action is trading within a bearish channel pattern. We have noticed it to test this resistance line of this bearish channel pattern and to trend down, and after taking support on the midline of this bearish channel pattern, we have noticed the price action to bounce back and to retest on this bearish channel pattern resistance line again, and currently we are noticing the price action to open closing price of the previous candle pattern. But looking at this candle, it has opened same level where it closed yesterday, which means that the bullishness still there. But the confirmation on the continuation of the bullish trend will come only when it breaks the previous high, which was around 1819. It has to break this resistance level in order to continue further on the bullish side retracement. So I have taken the Fibonacci levels, and previously the price action went on a bullish side retracement and it has tested the resistance level of 0.5% in the Fibonacci tool, which was around 1819. It has to break this resistance level in order to test the next level of resistance, which is going to be around 1822, and only then it can test the next level of resistance, which is going to be around 0.786 level, which is around 1826. All these levels of 1826, 1822 and 1819 are very important resistance levels in the Fibonacci tool. It has to break all these resistance levels in order to start a bullish side trend reversal in 4 hours time frame. Till this level, it will only be a retracement on the bullish side. It will not be a trend reversal in 4 hours time frame. So for now, we have noticed a price action to trade between the support level of 1816 and resistance level of 1819. Once the support level is broken, we can expect a bearish side retracement to start, and next level of support is going to be around 1812 and 1806. This will also be a very strong support level, because from this level we have noticed a bullish side retracement to start. So if the price action wants to continue with bearish side retracement, it has to break the previous low, which is around 1806. And as long as the price action is trading below this resistance line of the bearish channel pattern, we can expect the bearish trend to continue in 4 hours time frame. So since the price action is still trading within this bearish channel pattern, the current trend of the price action is still in a bearish trend for now in 4 hours time frame. Let us look at the price action in hourly time frame. I'm in hourly time frame. When we look at the price action in hourly time frame, it was on a bearish trend. Then it tried to break the resistance level of 1812. Then it fell on a bearish side retracement. After taking support around the support level of 1806, we have noticed the price action to bounce back on the bullish side retracement. Currently, this resistance line from the bearish channel pattern is acting as a resistance level. Once this resistance level is broken, we can expect the price action to test a higher time frame resistance level of 1822. And if the price action fails to break this resistance line, we can expect the bearish side retracement to again start in hourly time frame also. In this process, it has formed a double bottom pattern, and also it has completed its retracement on the bullish side. So we can expect a pullback on the bearish side according to this pattern. So again, I would request you to draw a trend line or a support line like this. And once the price action clearly breaks this trend line, you can enter on the bearish side trade in hourly time frame. So the values within this red color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in hourly time frame. Currently, the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1817 and support level of 1816. Once the price action breaks the support level of 1816, Next level of support on the bearish side is going to be around 1815, 1814, 1812, 1810 and 1807. And if the price action breaks the resistance level of 1817 and continues its bullish side retracement, the next level of resistance is going to be around 1818, 1819 and 1820 in the hourly time frame. Once the price action breaks the resistance level of 1820, which was the previous high, then it will be starting a new trend in hourly time frame on the bullish side. It will be making a higher high, which confirms the continuation of the bullish trend in hourly time frame. So wait for the price action to break this trend line if you want to trade on the bearish side trade, or wait for the price action to break this resistance line of the bearish channel pattern from the 4 hours time frame if you want to freshly enter on the bullish side trade in hourly time frame. Let us look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame. I'm in 30 minutes time frame, and in 30 minutes time frame also we are noticing the price action to be trading within the support level of 1816 and resistance level of 1819 on a sideways price action, and we have the hourly time frame trend line or the support line. So wait for the price action to break this support line if you want to freshly enter on the bearish side trade, or wait for the price action to break this resistance line of the bearish channel pattern from the 4 hours time frame in order to freshly enter on the bullish side trade in 30 minutes time frame also. But looking at the current trend, we are noticing it to bounce back on the bearish side after testing the resistance line of the bearish channel pattern. Wait for it to give a clear breakout from this trend line or support line, based on which you can freshly enter on the bearish side trade in 30 minutes time frame. So currently the price action is trading between the support level of 1817 and resistance level of 1818. If the bullish side retracement continues, the next level of resistance it's going to be around 1819, 1820, 1821, 1822 and 1823. And if the price action breaks this trend line from the hourly time frame and continues its bearish side retracement, next level of support is going to be around 1816, 1815, 1814, 1812, 1810 and 1808. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 15 minutes time frame. I'm in 15 minutes time frame, and currently we are noticing the price action to be trading within the resistance level of 1820 and support level of 1816 on a sideways momentum, or it is consolidating within the trend line from the hourly time frame and the resistance line from the 4 hours time frame. Wait for the price action to give a proper directional breakout from this consolidation, based on which you can enter into the directional trade in 15 minutes time frame also. So currently the price action has taken support around the support level of 1817. If the price action breaks this support level, next level of support is going to be around 1816, 1815, 1814 and 1812. And on the bullish side, if the price action takes support on the support level of 1817 and bounces back on the bullish side retracement, the immediate resistance is going to be around 1818, 1819 and 1820. For now, the price action in 15 minutes time frame is on a sideways momentum. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.